getting out of the package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Clouddefensive. Feel free to check them out. They have an interesting selection of items. Clouddefensive. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Get this open. So Clouddefensive specializes in lights and light accessories, as well as some other non-light illumination items as well. So let's see what we got here. Manifest. And let's see, we got a sticker. Nice. Clouddefensive up there. That's their logo. And we got a bag. And we got a box in a box. Alright. Boxception. So what do we want to look at first? Let's look at the bag since we pulled that out first. So they offer, besides the lights, and what's called the ATB, or ammunition transfer bag. Ammo transport bag. There we go. So this was actually all part of a bundle special. Their MCH Moonshine special. So it was a combination of flashlight and this ATB here. Let's take a quick look at this. Alright, advertising YKK. On there, racket coil. Interesting. Cordura fabric. Right there. Okay, so it's pretty much standard attachment there. So let's see, we got the hook and latch on the handles. You can put something up there. We got another spot here for a patch there. Two big zippers. Opens up. Got these spots right here. This also comes off. Can be rearranged as needed. We got a divider that's adjustable. Flip that around or take it out, and then here's your storage area. Padded all around, padded sides, padded bottom. Pretty cool. So ATB and Clouddefensive on the top there. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. The MCH Mission Configurable Handheld. So let's see what we got here. Everyday carry EDC variant, 40,000 candela and 1400 lumens. EDC light temperature 4,000 K to 5,000 K. Wow. High candela HC variant, 71,000 candela and 1100 lumens. So these are your different variants. The high candela HC light temperature gives you approximately 5,200 K temperature. Adjustable negligent discharge protection system. We got our dimensions: length 5.177 inches, head diameter 1.2 inches, weight with battery 5.4 ounces, micro length, if you have the micro model, it's a lot shorter. That's only 3.75. The head diameter is the same, 1.2. Micro weight with battery 4.5. Waterproof with IPX8 rating. Fully submersible to 100 feet for 24 hours. Exceeds all ANSI/PLATO-FL1 standards for impact and environmental resistance. Lifetime warranty, made in USA. Included in box, 1 mission configurable handheld flashlight, 1 cloud defensive battery, 1 cloud defensive U12 charger by Nitecore, 1 complete set of negligent discharge protection rings. And this is checked off as the MCH model, EDC, dual head, and then the color, whoosh, all there because this is a moonshine, hopefully. Let's see what we got in here. Here's our charger, a portable dual slot USB battery charger. Nitecore, nice. We got a 18650. These must be your ND protectors. And here we got some operating instructions. So, pretty cool. Let's see what this looks like. Whoa, nice. So I need a durable flashlight for work because it's a harsh environment, and also things tend to get dropped a lot in there because of wearing a full set of gloves. I don't know if I'm supposed to be unscrewing from here. I guess I can also do it here too. So this looks like it's modular. Got the head in this hand, tail cap in this hand, and then we got a flashlight body. So you can just assemble the configuration as you need it. This is really taking a long time to separate on this end. I don't know if I should be doing that. So I'm just going to put this one back this way for now. And just work off of this. Well, maybe I might have. Oh, it comes out. Final warning: use only 18650 batteries. No CR123. Any other batteries will void your warranty. Don't mess this up. All right. So we are stating that CR123s are a no-no. Let's go ahead and try to get this open here. Ooh, it's orange. Okay, let's see if it has any charge on it. That way. Fingers crossed. Otherwise, we're going to have to go ahead and use the Nitecore charger and let it charge up automatically. I also have another charger that. Oh, look at that. We got power. Whoa. Okay, that was dim. That's definitely brighter setting. Okay. Can't wait to try this out at work. Let's take a quick look at the charger. Might as well. I'm not really good at opening these types of boxes, but let's see what components are in here. Alright. So we got Nitecore, keep innovating. Worldwide warranty service. There's our USB cable, universal. There's a little charger here. Oh, these are some interesting bags. They have a dry feel to them. Okay, so has a little cloud defensive logo, power indicators, USB connector. Pretty lightweight. And these slide all the way down and be able to accommodate the large length batteries. That's pretty cool. So you can hook this up to whatever has a USB outlet. Whether it be a power bank, adapter for your cigarette lighter in your car, or if your car has USB hookups already, or your PC, laptop, however, whatever. So, okay, so we got included with our MCH Moonlight. Got the Nitecore dual slot charger, cloud defensive battery, and we had started off with an ammo transport bag, also known as the ATB. These all came from Cloud Defensive. Feel free to check them out. As you can see, flashlights, other accessories. Again, Cloud Defensive. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious. Videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.